It's amazing how a few pieces of carbon or fiberglass can change a car's aerodynamics. On the Corvette Z06, it comes in 3 flavors. Stage 1 provides the least amount of downforce, but the most amount of straight line performance. Stage 3 is the opposite, and Stage 2 is somewhere in between. Anyway, last month I did a season opener at NJMP Thunderbolt, hosted by Northeast Drivers Club. I had 2 goals that day: find out how much of a difference the Aero package is making the 60 to 130, and set a baseline lap for myself in the C7 Z06. Hopefully you guys don't get a headache from my helmet cam. Let's begin. This first run is with Stage 1 Aero, and my car is an intake, X-pipe, and ported throttle body. Now we'll try again with Stage 3 Aero at its most aggressive setting. Almost half a second. That's quite a bit, but it's worth it. Around a track, Stage 3 feels significantly more planted around those high-speed corners. And I'm sure it more than makes up for that half a second in the turns. Let's get that lap time. So, 134.2 is by no means fast. There's a lot of room for improvement because I know the car in stock form is capable of a sub 1 minute 30 time. But summer tires don't do great in the cold, and this was my first time around Thunderbolt, so I think it's not a bad starting point. For comparison's sake, with Stage 1 Aero, the fastest lap I did was something like 139. Not a conclusive test, but from a driver's standpoint, you can feel the confidence from the additional downforce. I've been taking it easy these past few episodes and narrating more because I got hit with a bad cold. That's also why my voice might sound a bit more Batman than usual. Things should be back to normal next week. Thanks for watching, guys.